Hello everyone and welcome to the 29th. Almost getting there, almost. Right, okay. Okay. Oh, that just jumped into my hand, so I guess we're having this one. What is the prompt for today? What is it? Oh, Chief O'Brien. Okay, Callan. Right, which one? Which of the amazing godlike Chief O'Briens am I doing? Okay. Chief O'Brien from, yes, Deep Space Nine. Chief O'Brien. He is our hero. Okay, so I had a few problems with recording. The camera cut out a couple of times, but you get the idea. I started off happy with this one, and I don't think I did it very well or as well as I wanted. So this is a meh one, and that's supposed to be a dartboard behind there. I'll mess that one up. But anyway, yes, we love O'Brien in this house, and he is an utter hero. There are many versions of O'Brien. There's the original Brian. There's alternate reality Brian. O'Brien. There's dressing gown O'Brien. O'Brien has suffered. He really suffers. So if he is us, he's the every person. He's, a version of us in amongst all these, Rikers and Picards and all the rest of it. So, yeah, he's us. And they don't half make him suffer. And he comes through every time. He's been through some storylines as O'Brien, and he always comes back. But that's the idea. If anything, in our household, if there's any problems, be it world war stuff or just a little dispute down the road, that's it. We need to get O'Brien, take him down the pub, get him a Guinness, it'll all be sorted. Basically, if the world could just all go down the pub with O'Brien, have a Guinness, play some darts, everything in the world would be fine. That's our theory in our household. Anyway, which is why my dutiful, loving son gave me O'Brien to do. Again, can't do faces. Just can't do faces. Did my best. I quite like the sketch, but I don't know. I tried. I don't think it looks like him, but the uniform kind of helps a little bit, I hope. Yeah. So, story-wise, anyway, bing! Up there, I've just done a little, that's supposed to be a little, like, model, because him and Dr. Bashir, they have the most beautiful bromance ever. They love each other. It grows over time. O'Brien doesn't like him at first, but then they grow on each other, and then they end up playing war games in the holodeck and stuff, and it's magical. It truly is a magical romance between two men. It's a lovely friendship, and the last scene you have with O'Brien, I don't want to ruin it for you. Oh, here's me completely cocking up that dartboard. Just pretend it's a dartboard, okay? But anyway, the last scene, it involves a little model. And it's very moving. So I put a little model up on the shelf there. That's what that's about. But anyway, yes, story, bing. Basically, these two, they need to come together. And Rose, the girl, Rose, realises, sort of remembers, watching Deep Space Nine, and her idea of just take them down the pub, have a Guinness. O'Brien, this is what would O'Brien do? Sometimes in life you just have to ask yourself, what would O'Brien do? He'd take her down the pub, have a Guinness, game of darts, sorted. So that's what she does. She imagines taking other Rose down the pub with O'Brien, of course, and they have Guinness, and I put Edmund up there. He's up there on the shelf there, looking lovely with his feathers. And through this thought, she communicates with Rose, who's kind of smiling now, and her mouth is going kind of back to normal, is the idea. And they're bonding together with O'Brien down the pub. And I'm sure they play some darts. And they're coming together now. She's, instead of trying to run from her other self, from her, childish kind of wanting to hide from life kind of self. She's talking and having a drink and playing darts. That's the idea. Oh, I actually had to Google the colour of the actor's eyes because I was never quite sure. But yes, apparently Cole Meany has green eyes. So I gave this one green eyes, even though one of his pupils is bigger than the other. But let's just ignore that. Let's just ignore my shortfalls, shall we? Just for once. I do want to say I've had such lovely comments. Somebody's gonna say something horrible now, but I tell you what, I was a bit worried and stuff, but no, everyone's been really nice in the comments. No one said anything horrible. They just said, "Oh, well done." Thank you. But I don't know. I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep going, and hopefully I will get better. And if we do this next year, or a version of this next year, God, am I thinking about October again? Oh, blimey. Maybe I'll be a bit better. But yeah, I'm trying to give them sort of rosy cheeks. Because, you know, he's Irish, he's in a pub, he's having a few, he'll get some rosy cheeks. So I gave him rosy cheeks, and I give this rose rosy cheeks. Rosy, yeah, I just thought of that. But that's what I'm trying. I'm trying to do this a bit more, be a bit braver, putting colour down. I think I'm getting a bit braver. It felt like I was being braver at the time. But yeah, there you go, that's the idea. But yes, there you go. That is how they come back together. They go down the pub with O'Brien. I mean, wouldn't you go down the pub with O'Brien? It'd be awesome. And then we got two left. We got two prompts left. One is the one that I asked my daughter to do, because I don't know if I've lost one or just miscounted, but I was missing one, so I asked her to do another one, and she kind of grinned as she handed it to me. So, but tried not to let me see her grinning as she handed it to me. So that'd be interesting. And then I think I was trying to work out who. I think the other one will be from my boyfriend. I try to like count up who's given me what, and I think it'll be from him. I think. But yeah, anyway, I'm looking at this and I think I need to draw in his arms. I was trying to figure out where it is. I wanted him to sort of be standing with his hand on his hips, because I found this photo with him like that. But you couldn't really see it with them in front. So I put him sort of just a hand on each shoulder kind of thing. You know, just showing support. Yeah, I think I need to figure out where his arms would be. Oh, you watch this back and you just think, should I just go and redo it or edit it out? But that kind of defeats the object, doesn't it? I'm trying to show you me trying and me trying new things and what I actually managed to do, because I'm working. I've got an hour before I'm working, so yeah, gotta get this done really. But I don't know, I don't think it looks like O'Brien looking at it, but I'm quite happy with the face. I think my hand's still a bit wobbly with the old liner, but other than that I think it's all right. But there you go, there's me putting in the Guinness, the most important bit. Look, even can you see? But little Edmund's got a little teeny tiny Guinness up there. I thought that was so cute. Let him have his Guinness. He'll be happy with that. There we go. There's his little Guinness, and a bit more touches here and there. But anyway, that's pretty much it. That is yeah. That's Chief O'Brien for you. Down the pub with some Guinnesses. Oh, I should put Bashir in the corner. Never mind. But anyway, that's what I did. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and all of that. And well, I will hopefully see you tomorrow for our penultimate one. Wow. Oh yeah, I remember to write Guinness on it. Look at me using my jelly roll. Are you proud? Or whatever this one is. I think this is the Signia one. But there you go. Look. I actually remember to use it and colour her eyes in and put little blobby bits in the eyes. I'm learning. His eyes, one eye is still bigger than the other. But anyway, thank you very much. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for whatever happens, whatever the Cup of Doom brings me. But I will see you then. Bye.